Good girl! Yeah, don't die at all. Woo! You guys way in the lead.
Come on, girls. Cool. They're doing good.
Really good.
Yeah.
Better not get tired.
Yes. Full on adrenaline. Come on, girls.
Number 23. In the AAA division, Monomoke Park has 27 points, and Ontario Kalihi has 24 points.
Right there, turn coming up.
Division,
Coming up the turn.
54 points. Kalihi has 33.
Too far from the flag, turn. Too far from the flag.
Come on, girls. Wow. Shooting for the flag now. Oh, can I do like a bounce you up?
Oh, too far from the flag.
Go.
Come on, girls. Pull it.
Wow, we're going into the turn now. We are stalling right now.
Oh, hard turn. That's a hard turn. Too far from the flag.
Come on, girls.
Come on,
We got orange boat. They're turning already.
No, they all
Oh, they're out already.
Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Don't give up. Oh, the orange canoe is out.
Oh, this blue canoe, where it came from?
Yeah. We would have gotten maybe on a good turn. This is that food. Come on, girls.
Oh, that was on the right.
Oh, look at this blue canoe.
Who's that?
This way. Beach boys, they're all good. Come on, girls, bring it on. Wow.
I didn't even see them make a turn.
Exactly. Oh my goodness.
The two sections over there. You see them on the sand.
Is that them? Who's the blue canoe?
Beach boys. What's that?
Beach boys, huh?
Who's the blue canoe?
Let's go, Kalihi!
Let's go, ladies! Push!
Come on, girls! Pull!
Got three.
Push it!
Come on, girls! Third place, here we go! Woo! Good job, stay strong! Third place, woo! Yeah, you did good. From coming from behind.
Yo, wait, man. After the flag, no! Why are you going past the flag already, damn it? I'm tired.